Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, if you're not subscribed, subscribe and smash that like button. Today is kind of exciting and I'm nervous at the same time. Let me show you what I got here. Today I got in the mail this Chinese made half horse submergible sump pump. It's $30 compared to $80, and if it at least gets me through the summer, it's well worth it, I think. So first off, we've got like how many we got? 300-foot cords and I don't know, a couple small ones in between to get us there. I don't know if you can see it, but house is over there, but we have to go up here and around to get there. So I'm gonna take this pump and I'm gonna drop it down in that hole and hope to not drop the camera. That'd be a heck of a deal. So okay, help me pull this hose, you guys. Wait, let me wrap this thing around my hand because I do not want to drop this. Just bought it and it was $600. Gee.
Is there water?
So, alright. Be easy with her because I only want to have to do this once.
Put the rice bran in.
The what?
Put that rice
Quit it. Alright. Oh.
You drop it.
That'd be crazy. Alright, just keep making sure that the extension cord is here, Connor. Stand back a little ways, would you? And get that thing off my hand. Back there, like back up. And let's not be crooked. And just keep on bringing it. No idea how deep this sucker is.
See that big spider?
Where?
Right there, by the hose.
Let's see, keep her coming. She's pretty deep. My gosh. Ever reached China yet? Wait a minute. Oh, wait. Ah.
There's bugs like crazy.
I know, they're getting me. So we're not at the bottom. Up with the camera. Up, 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 up.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, down, down. Turn it. Up, up.
What?
Up. Okay.
Why can't
Here,
you just do it?
I'll just adjust
Why
to
can't
how
you
you're
just
holding
do
it.
it?
Because it can't get me in Montana. Scratch down. Okay, so we got the pump in the hole. It's not at the bottom because the bottom is a long ways. You keep moving that camera.
Why can't you just do it?
I'm going to. I can't keep up with the camera.
Little Jimmy.
Okay. That's gonna at least let us know if it works. Let's go up here. That's a long ways to run electricity. Long ways. And I don't have enough hose to water the whole garden, if any of the garden. But this will at least let us know if this thing works and if it even has enough water pressure to shoot the water out of the end of the hose. So I need somebody to run up there and plug it in. There's Kristen, mommy's life. Ching, check her out. Connor,
What?
will you run up there and plug it in?
A walk up there?
No, run.
No.
Kids these days are so lazy, can't get them to do anything. Jeez. Get her, mommy. Hey, out of that garden. Runs through it like a dog.
Can't keep them out.
Can't keep him out. Hey, look. So I started to thin out what I thought was broccoli. And look at it. That is not broccoli. That is kale. Right?
I don't know.
Sure looks like kale to me. Oh, hey, he's plugging it in. Let's see if there's any water coming out. Maybe he's shooting flames out the wall in there. I don't know. Oh.
Probably too long of a pump.
I don't know.
Oh, maybe that movement.
Yeah, plug it. See if you can see if there's any air shooting out of it.
Is it not working?
Not yet. Shirley's got it plugged in.
Surely that.
My beautiful white German Shepherd. Mink, come here, girl.
Yeah, that beautiful German Shepherd pulled up my potatoes out of the garden.
That's okay. Potatoes are starchy.
It's plugged in. Right?
Hi, girl. Huh? The outlet is full. Unplug what's in it. Boy's got an attitude today.
No, it's because I have the dryer going. He probably don't want to unplug the dryer, probably.
Well, if it's full, unplug it and plug
Everybody,
it
go to Mommy's Life. Like and subscribe all my videos. Exit out of Daddy's.
in. Don't
It's
do
boring.
that.
He messes with water hose and... Nah,
And that's what you like. You don't like.
I know.
I won't even get into it. Don't need her mad at me.
You're gonna have better luck at YouTube than I am.
Nah, I'm glad the truth comes out. Get that mosquito out of here. What is it?
Oh, he don't want him to run his bike over.
Oh,
Get it out of the way!
get that bike out of here. Whoa.
Oh, it got me!
I have no idea.
There's Noah.
No idea if anything's gonna come out of this or not. Let's walk back here. I will. I'll walk back here and see if I can even hear it running. Here's my girl again. Hi, girl. Hi, baby. It's my guard dog. German Shepherd. If you don't have one, get you one. Although she's not mean. What? Oh. What are we caught on? This is not good. Nothing coming out. I'm gonna walk up here and see if I can even hear it running. What a deal. I best not step on no snake either. I don't like them. I don't like them. Guys, I hear it running. There's water in the line. Wait, is there any water coming out? There's water back there. Huh? Yeah, it's coming. Settle down. Settle down. Ooh, uh-oh, battery's getting low. Hopefully it gets us through this. Now try it.
Pointing towards the ground.
Are you serious? Well, unscrew that. Let's see what we get.
Barely little.
Really? This is not good.
I think you got screwed.
This is not good. What's a guy do? What's a guy do? Buy a good one? Wait, water?
We're picking up.
Oh man.
A little at a time.
What do you guys think? Do I have too many extension cords, do you think? No, I think I've got too many extension cords. Because I think the more cords you run, the less power you lose. What do I need to do?
Get the generator on.
Hey, I know. It just needs to rain. Well, no, that's not gonna happen. Supposed to rain tonight or tomorrow morning, but we'll see if it does anything. Let's unscrew it right here. It's getting water through it. It's just not getting much. All right, guys. Well, I gotta go for now. I gotta assess the issue, and I will be right back. Boo! All right, guys. So, I think I just figured it out. I think we had too many cords attached. So, walked over to the shop and we loaded up the generator, and we're gonna take the generator back by the well and plug. It'll be one extension cord hooked to the actual power cord to the pump, and we'll fire it up and we'll see if it works. I'll bring it back as soon as we get her all hooked. All right, the generator's running, so I gotta yell. So we came and we shortened the extension cords up, and can you feel it coming? He can feel it coming. There's an arrow. All right, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh! Don't tell me that generator's out of gas. If it's out of gas, I ain't doing it again. Not doing it. Come on, at least get us through this. Come on! Yeah, the gas is on. Should be all the way on. Come on, baby. Whoa, let's go down. Let's run down here. Come on. Quick, camera's gonna die. Hey, right here, right here, right here. Unscrew that hose. What in the world are you doing? Right here.
Whether it went.
Generator died.
Is it out of gas?
I think so.
So
Turn
I'm
the
pretty
gas
sure
on.
that was a fail. So
Yeah.
anyways, so we're out of gas and it wasn't pumping very good. So I don't know what the problem is. I don't know what to do. Maybe one of you guys know what to do. If you do, let me know. I could sure use your help. Camera's about to die, so I got to go. I guess we'll just sit in the house and brainstorm tonight. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.